Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, April the 13th, 2024. It's today, Sunday. And this Sunday afternoon, I will solve 4 puzzles in this additional. And then in the evening, the jigsaw Sudoku. And I've already solved 1 puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and the 4 star Sudoku. We are interested in the 4 star Sudoku. 4 star Sudoku number 8361. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4. 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1 1. We have here 3 2s, 3 3s, 4 4s. All right. 2 5s, 3 6s, 3 7s, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So the 4s are in majority. Can I start with the 4? No. No. Well, will be difficult. How about? 8. Yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, I only 2 place 11. 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 7 there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 8 in this middle column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Shoot it in. 8, 8, 5, 5, 3, 3, 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left with 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place level 3 should be there. Need a 2 here, need a 2 here. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place level 2 should be there. How about 1 and a 4? Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have 1 and a 4 in this big square, so no 1 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing. Well, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in the column next, no 2 there. The only place level 2 should be there. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 5 goes there. 7. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. One, 9 here. 9. 9 and 1. 9 and a 1. 9 and a 1. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 3 here. And I need 5 here. Need a 4 here. 4 here. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1, 6, 9. Okay, 1, 6, 9. So 4 missing numbers here in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in these 4 missing numbers are the in this big square are the numbers 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8 in this column, so no 3 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the third one, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left, and 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Need 4 here. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left with a 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5, 5. Okay, need a 1 here. 1, 1. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 1. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here we have 1, 6, 9. And look, we have 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row and a 6 in the first row. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. And we have a pair of 9 and a 5 in the first row. 9 and a 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So here should be the 1 and the 6 are left. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Okay. Then 6, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the last column, no 6 in the 6 should be there. 6, 6. Need a 3. Need the 4. 9. And the 1. 9, 1, and the 8. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Two missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 as well. No 1 there. 1 should be in. A 6 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column 3, no need to place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes elevator 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the mud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 and a 3, 7 and a 3. Let me mark those. Here also 7 and a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5, 5, okay. I need a 2 here. 2, 2, 2. And I need a 4 here. 4, 4. 2 numbers left in this row, the middle row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 1 and a 2. We have the 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 in this column. 1 in the second column. So the third column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing. 2 missing numbers. No. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. Yeah. Here can be 2. We have 2 in the first row. No 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. So the 7 and the 3 are left. 7 and 3. We have 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and 3. We have 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, and now, let me see. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the first column. The only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the last row for numbers 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 9 and 5, we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only place left for 4 should be there, and the last 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 2 goes there. 30 minutes. Cannot believe this. Previous Sudoku, I need 90 minutes, and this one 30 minutes. Wow. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. You can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.